Hello students, today we will study about the difference between money market and capital market, which is the topic of unit 9. As we have already studied कि financial market has two types, money market and capital market has further two types, primary market and secondary market. We have already studied about these market in detail. Now the next concept is what is the difference between money market and capital market. Duration. Basically the instruments which are issued in money market, they are issued for the short term, and those instruments and the money collected through the issue of those instruments, it fulfill the short term requirement of any enterprise. And the instrument which are issued in capital market, the funds collected through the issue of debt, shares in the capital market, they fulfill medium term and long term requirement of a business. Now maturity period. The instruments which are issued, financial securities which are issued in money market, those are issued from 1 day to 364 days. In capital market, instruments are issued for more than 1 year, for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and for the lifetime. Now the concept. Basically money markets creates the funds only, and in a capital market there is a continuous exchange of fund buying and selling of the securities. Now which kind of financial instruments are issued in money market? Basically 5 types of instruments are issued in money market: treasury bills, commercial paper, commercial bill, call money, and certificate of deposit. We have already studied about these money market instruments in our last video. Now the instrument issued in capital market, basically share has two types, equity and preference, debenture and bonds. Now liquidity. What is the meaning of liquidity? Liquidity means convertible into the cash. These are highly liquid, these are having highly liquidity, means instruments can be converted into the cash easily at any time. Capital market instruments also enjoys good liquidity but less liquidity comparatively to money market instrument. Now investment outlay. Basically money market instruments are issued in high denomination. They are having huge investment. For example, treasury bills are issued for minimum 25,000 and further in multiple of 25,000, and commercial papers are issued in minimum 5 lakh, and these are generally low, 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Clear? And the risk in money market, there are less risk because basically issued by RBI or bank, mainly participates is RBI, good credit worthy company, reputed company, and these are less risky because of the participation of the government, RBI, and good credit worthy company and reputed company. And also these are issued for short duration, and these are highly risky because are issued for longer term period. Now returns, there are less return because of safety nature, because of less risky nature, and these are issued for short duration. Whenever we invest money for short duration, we always get less return. Comparatively, when money is invested for longer term period, there is a high rate of return. So this was about the difference between money market and capital market.